Hello everyone, welcome to my third Python course. In this video, we are going to be working with comments in Python. So, in Python, we have two different types of comment. We have the single-line comment, which is the same thing as inline comment, and also we have the multi-line comment, which is the same thing as the block comment in Python. So, let's begin to put that into code. Now, before I get started, let me first define what a comment is. A comment is just a piece of text placed within a program to help users to understand it. So let me give an example of a comment. So to define a comment in Python, you're going to be using an hashtag. That is an inline comment. So if you put hashtag, this is a comment like this. So if you run this Python code, you're not gonna get anything because this is just a comment, so it won't show in our interpreter. So if I say that print hello world like this, so I can just add a comment in front of it like this program print hello world to the screen like this. So if I run my program, I'm going to get hello world, which I'm not going to be getting this program print hello world to the screen. So that is just what a comment is. You can define a comment anywhere inside a code as long as it's not inside a function or some kind of weird place. So to define a block comment, you're going to be using this quotation mark like this, triple quotation mark. So we can just see that this is a block comment like this. So let's run this Python code. The output is still hello world because this is a block comment. So which is not going to show in our Python code. And that is just for comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.